Good afternoon. I'm just outside the Salvation Army Centenary house here. And there's a sculpture here that I have never noticed before. And it's of a homeless guy covered in blankets sleeping on a park bench. I think this is pretty good. I've never seen this, never noticed it. I've come by this way so many times, and how could I have missed this? Maybe it's like the homeless, they're very much invisible to us, but they're all around us. And here's the information about this statue. It says Homeless Jesus statue. Homeless Jesus was designed by Timothy Schmalz, a Canadian sculptor. Depicts Jesus as a homeless person sleeping on a park bench. Face and hands are obscured, hidden under a blanket, but crucifixion wounds in his hands and his feet reveal his identity. The statue has been described as a visual translation of the Gospel of Matthew's passage in which Jesus tells his disciples, "As you did it for one of the least of these my brothers, you did it unto me." Matthew 25 and 45. Schmalz intended for the bronze sculpture to be provocative, admitting that it's essentially what the sculpture is there to do. It's meant to challenge people. I think it's fabulous, brilliant. And there's the marks on the feet right enough.
That's Jesus, man.
That's supposed to be, aye. That's the nails. Excellent job.